Vablis T. Dam line of Nirvana, Tyson and Tatmus. The reliable producer Bustique has sired multiple Grand Prix show jumpers, including Olympic medalist Vablis and top-level performers Berdine and Florida Balia NL. In the pedigree of Vablis T, Bustique is paired with a successful dam line. Grand Dam Medoc has foaled two 140-level horses, and in the third generation this dam line traces back to the mare Vitique. She is listed as the Grand Dam of the 160-level horses Nirvana and Patrice, and can also be found in the dam line of the Grand Prix show jumping stallions Tyson and Tatmus, as well as the 150-level competing stallion Edinburgh.